them of believing that social media does harm than good. I will read out our respective assignments. Our first speaker is Ranga. To compute of diffusion motion and stance of report on argument from speaker of the opposition team. Give argument namely Alfianza. As the text of the proceeding explained, first speaker is Rian. As the text of the main argument that harm friend is confused by his first and second speaker and explain a result of the topic. According to Rifle University, social media is an online platform that facilitates social media interaction and social sharing between users. Meanwhile, according to Kaplan and Helin, social media is a set in internet design application that involve creating addiction of the by users. Social media does offer many benefits, but there are some strong arguments that suggest the harm it could be great. Definition of harm is a question of stage that obviously makes injury and social of someone is something. This includes facial, emotional, and social effects. The definition of good, revelation, something a positive of cruel in a moral context is real, causing, character, potential, are decision right, essential. Limit to of prevalent telegram use. With their elimination, the ending talk can be more focused and intact of the paper. Argument. Although Telegram of ensure, Telegram of concern about the relation about the English data and the potential issue of the information. That the platform could be user speaker and news information. Keep the lack of strict content moderation. Use of the application can declare electronic test is social interaction. An example, use code is then telegram code inside mission, expression and data lake after unknown hacker about the facial legend tell it is part mission ability contracts. How many users where is the action is every part for 2 size.
Good morning, at the moment you have to participate of the state of movement of this paper is result.
Masya Allah.
First, the definition and then of question then is first paper and issue as the rest of proceeding example and put in the opinion the speaker. So if receive the small report to be project the positive impact of the media is that is not is offer of internet is meant for expand always but instead and things are not wrong problem is so as our business medium of information can that is with set and statement the negative impact of social media. This that is local are already first and it is always that making people is to internet and are the details are information of the telegram application as
Astagfirullah.
the designing with support of this book to making this page content art media of the of the is very for this book. The telegram has man and the viewers on of it is ability is potential of format. But
Social media often becomes a platform for the spread of fake news and information. This can cause confusion and publicity among the public as well as impact informing decisions such as in the context of health and politics. For example, users often share status information or post that content fresh information without verifying its source. This can be attention grabbing, health claims, rumors, or sensational news. So I agree with today motion memory. This cause believers to social media does more harm than good. Although social media is designed to connect people safe, this can lead to social media isolation. Online interaction can also deeper and more meaningful face-to-face relationship. For example, saying other people's life posts on social media can cause feeling of dissatisfaction with one online a person who had they are not as fortunate as other, which can cause them to withdraw from social media interactions in the real world due to feeling of inequality of low self-esteem.
Why social media is often associated with spread of false information and harassment of lives. Harassment for consuming social media also find a lot in disseminating information for social, health, and environmental issues and education, awareness and promotion, negative information among associates of campus or career. Ladies, romantic, tourist, hello, instructor, creative, and should on what is taken. With argument and sweet the affirmative feeling that ever from the most have rejected topics put into tackling the diagram as small and but on the diagram is share is a full information and not for the form copying money to other from here for example follow the before next chapter character setting special content should have after and as you to wise.
Saat saya kira aplikasi Hasmani is kira opportunity to view. Pascata can still be future to its or IT. Because of its open telegram simply just to spread false news or misleading information money to come to delegated access to public. The two real world social interaction. So you think very agree with the person.
Is what we impact of social media is part of makes it essential of editorial internet liking countries like WhatsApp, then Facebook, when I ask message. Message of the mail and is of the telegram. Oxygen ice spicy benefit information scenario is with portion of Facebook for Mossing is Facebook for and media aspect say in the options and
So, I strongly
strongly disagree. According to my group, the use Telegram has many negative impacts. For example, the spread of false foreign information, because the LCs, the sharing information can cause a spirit of house and the missing information. Unexplained user called Telegram code isn't missile and the expression data link after hacker and expand the possible detail of the user on the Tiger forum. According to report from user for publication coding to cross, the data bill context phone number, unique Telegram, user allowed the sensitive information. Why is it unclear? How many people, how many were, according its example, it parted data and for 900 MB in size.